Alright, hey everyone. I am Justin Stevens, aka Justin the Ninja. For those of you who do not know my name already, if it's your first time watching videos on my channel, welcome. Today, starting this part, I will be attempting to remake the original Five Nights at Freddy's in Scratch. So first, what we're going to do is create the main menu, obviously. And there's the first main menu image. Now, I was told that to reduce the file size on certain files, do something like erase the background or something. I'm going to put Freddy about there. That's good. Okay, I'm going to name this Freddy main menu. I'm going to name all my images so that I don't get confused later. Okay. Now we're just going to do a tiny bit of scripting, which is when flag clicked, show, go to this position. Now we're going to get the other images for the main menu, Freddy. And that would be these three. Okay. Alright. Now when flag is clicked, switch to costume 1. Forever. Wait. And then I'm gonna put a pick random variable. Pick random. Let's just do 0.3 to 2 seconds, I don't know. Something like that, and then switch costume to pick random 2 to 4. So hopefully, if I did this right, give me just a second, then it's going to switch back to the default image. Again, if done right, we should have something like this. Perfect. Alright, looking good. Alright, so we got Freddy right there. Now the next thing we are going to need is static. For this we're going to put static menu, something like that. Alright. And then we're going to import the images for the static. I'm going to use only like this row of them. I'm not going to use all of them. Okay. Get rid of this first costume. Now what we need to do is when flag is clicked, it is going to go to front and show, but it needs to go to the middle of the screen. And we also have another problem, which is that static is in front, but we can't see anything with the static. And we're also going to put a next costume variable. And we're going to put right here some like 0.03. Something like that, I don't know. And when flag clicked, set transparency effect to, I don't know, 75. Yeah, 75 should do. And hopefully this is what we have so far. Alright, looking good. Alright, looks almost like the game so far. So that tells me we are on the right track. Okay, Now we're going to put right here, menu, overlay. If you're wondering what that noise is, guys, it's just a desk fan by me running. Now we're going to get the main menu text that says Five Nights at Freddy's. There it is, 144. Put it about there. Make this image a little smaller. I don't know if that's good. Remove all the background for this. Okay. When flag clicked, it's going to wait 0.01 second. Go to front shell. And then we're going to put a motion thing in here again, just so it'll stay in the middle, in the part of the screen, hopefully. Cool. Looking good. Alright. Now the next thing we are going to need is a new game button. I'm not going to worry about the continue button quite yet. And that is because this attempted remake is only going to be a demo. So I'm only going to have like 1 or 2 nights available to play. There you go. There's our new game button. And instead of getting rid of the background on this one, I'm going to make the thing on here black so that you can easily click on it when you go to hit new game. So this actually needs to be a tad smaller than the Five Nights at Freddy's text. I'd say put it about there. Now we're going to do the same thing we did for the Five Nights at Freddy's text, but put a different motion block in here. Hopefully. Alright. We are looking awesome so far. That tells me we are on the right track. Now another thing we need to do is make a second costume. This is just for in-game, real game detail. If you want more detail, what you do is get this arrow here. Have it pointing towards the new game icon. And that looks alright. I won't mess with it anymore. When flag is clicked, forever if touching mouse pointer. Switch to costume 2. And if not touching the mouse pointer, where is it? There we go. I'm just going to duplicate the mouse pointer touching thing. Then switch to costume 1. So this is what we have so far. Alright, we are looking awesome. Put the mouse over here. Yep, everything works the way it should. That is a good sign. Anyway, now what we're going to work on is when sprite is clicked, it's going to broadcast. Let me put the camera in my other hand. Show newspaper. Something like that. Or you can just put newspaper or new game. Whatever you prefer. Newspaper. Okay. When I receive show newspaper, it's going to wait about 2 seconds and then hide. Now the reason we want to do this is because when the newspaper fades onto the screen, it's still, everything still needs to be in place so that it will look good. I'm going to put it in every single one of them. Now we're going to actually make the newspaper. So, newspaper. There we go. Now we're going to look for the image of the newspaper. Also, guys, if you don't like the sound of that fan that I have near me, y'all can request to have it turned off in my videos. But I have it on because without it on, it's actually kind of hot in here. Okay, perfect. And flag clicked, hide, and set ghost effect to 100. There we go. And also go to 0, 0. Okay. And we also make it fit the screen. Because that's something we should remember. The original game's resolution was bigger than what can be shown on the scratch screen. So when I receive show newspaper, it will go to front and show, but it needs to add a effect. I'm just going to do repeat 23, I guess. I don't know. And change the ghost effect by -5, I guess. And then hopefully we should have something like this. Perfect. Come on, focus. Focus. Oh my gosh. Crap. It's not focusing. That is not good. Okay. Anyway, what we're going to do is wait about 2 seconds, and then it's going to do the same thing, but about to hide by 5, and then hide. I do not want to open up my backpack. Okay, we have something like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to work on the night 1 image. I like to use the background for it. I don't know, you can use a separate image, a separate sprite for it, but I like to use the background just because I think it looks good and it's easier to work with. So where's the first night image? There it is. Okay, I'm not going to worry about making the image smaller for now because this is just an example game. Well, this is an attempt at me remaking the first game. And my goal is to not exactly have a perfect remake of the game, but something that is very close. Now we're going to make the background black. Okay. Okay. Something that we should definitely not forget to put in, like back flag is clicked, switch to backdrop 1. And also, I receive show newspaper. Wait 2 seconds. Broadcast. I don't know. I'm just going to say night 1. I don't know, something like that. And then, when I receive night 1, switch to the second background. And we're going to add a sound effect.